Sa inyo ng birthday. Hindi talaga kita inunahan ko.
Thank you. Love you. Saan, mag-swimming kami? Gusto mo?
Sino ako pero magpapa... Saan kayo kuya?
Diyan lang.
Okay.
Maganda nga
ako.
dyan eh, kasi malilim.
Daddy?
Almost done.
It's almost done.
Yeah. Send ko sa yung video, tapos edit mo, send.
Sige dito.
Can we sleep with
No, you will sleep first.
Can
We will swim in the afternoon.
we
Later.
sleep with mommy, please?
No.
Me too, I'm going to sleep because I'm sleepy. Sleepy head.
I'm sleepyhead.
Do you know the meaning of sleepy head?
Wow, so pretty.
Wow, nice one.
Oh, let me see.
Do you want to?
Oh, don't move, don't move.
Do you want to, Mom?
I don't.